So microwave time.
What about it? I was the one that introduced it, so
Are you?
you asked something to me. I forget what you asked about.
I said how. You were like, one microwave time
No.
is equal to the distance of a microwave.
Okay,
And
yeah,
I'm like,
before, like to start that, I said
Oh, okay.
something was 2 microwave time, and you're like, what? It's distance, not
What
time.
was it? That was
I
too
don't
like. Damn, boy. I think that was a bit more than we thought. Am I correct? That was a bit more than I thought. Definitely. Hmm.
To what?
That's a big question.
What were we talking about?
That
Just 2
That's one of the
minutes ago.
downfalls of grandparents. If they could fix that, like Obama, please. Last term
he's,
enough.
he's dumb.
No,
He
last
has
little
no
bit.
time left.
How many
He
microwave time does he have left?
He only has 167,100 microwave time.
2,600,000. Are you really that good at math?
2600,100.
Are you really that good at math, or
Yeah.
did you just make up
I
a number?
dumbass.
No, you should have been like, yeah, I'm good at math. Look it up, and now I'd be like trying to look it up, and then I'd give up eventually.
For the record, I am good at math.
No. No.
I am. My grade in
What?
my grade in math last year was a 2, 3, 400 microwave
Are you
times
just
4.
looking at the time? For like 200-300 microwave times.
That was my grade. 200-300 microwave time.
Okay, so if I do the math, the distance of a microwave is 1. Microwave has an A, which is a grade. Microwave. How many letters are microwave? M-I.
What are you talking about?
Let me work. M-I-C-R-O micro W-A-V-E. So microwave has 8 letters. And a microwave time, that's 8. 8.
Wait, what? It has 3 letters?
What?
What are you talking
I forgot. You just I have actually no idea where we're going with that. I was just like, microwave has 8
I'm like-
letters.
And I'm like that, you're like, oh.
8 is one more than 7. I was like just making shit up. So those are some very good memes. The ones that say like, we'll just have a word.
Boy!
No, just have a word and like get to the Illuminati somehow. Like how that word is Illuminati.
Oh, yeah, yeah. So, like,
those are very good.